guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain about the Bootstrap and how we can integrate the Bootstrap in our web application. So if you have not followed me on the Instagram and Facebook, so here is the link, please follow me there. And also if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon in order to receive the notification of my videos. So first I will open the official website of Bootstrap and then we'll see what are the controls are available and how we can integrate with our existing or new application in Angular. So first question is, what is Bootstrap? See, Bootstrap is used to make our web application very interactive to the end users. Now this particular link is the official website of Bootstrap. So this particular command this is used to add the Bootstrap in our existing web application. Like this our Angular application, and we'll run this command in order to install the Bootstrap. So let's run it. I'll click here and go to your terminal, paste and press enter. So it will install all the dependencies. So till we'll see what are the controls and how we can integrate, right? So click here, get started now, and click on the components. So here we can see all these kind of stuff that we are often use our website, like alerts in order to show the different alerts, success alert, information one, warning, danger. So it's very easy to integrate all these kind of information in using very less code. If you click here, see the number of code is just one line, and where you can able to achieve this kind of interactive interface, right? Just click here buttons. So you can also show the different good looking buttons, just a very simple code. It does not require a lengthy code. So all the time, see, carousels are here, and then ratings are here, like you would like to show the ratings, and then models are there, like launch your different models, and pagination if you want to show the different kind of pagination. So pagination are there, like tables to show the different to show your table to the end users with less code. So we'll see different all these controls one by one, and let's see if the Bootstrap is complete or not. Yes, package installed successfully. That means Bootstrap installed successfully. Now what we'll do, we'll simply go to the I'll choose first I will choose first collapse. Yeah, so now this functionality how we can achieve, just click here code and copy this whole thing and paste in your HTML, save it, and click here or the TS file, whatever is required, just copy. I think this is only one particular variable we required, so paste on your TS file. So I'll paste here. So after installing, we don't need to mention anywhere any dependency, just you copy and paste the CSS and the HTML controls. It will work as it is. So let me run the application and we'll see the result. So now our application compiled successfully. So let's go to the browser and we'll see the result. Type localhost 4200. See, it shows as it is without adding any extra code. So if I click here, see the toggle functionality work, right? We don't require any extra code, just a bit of few steps, and we achieve this functionality. Now let's take one more example. I'll see the progress bar, like we want to show the different kind of progress bar, and go to your code section. See, we can show the progress bar success, which is in green color, the information, this one, warning and danger, right? And what are the percentage you can mention here is for 25%, this much will show. If you mention 100%, then it will cover whole area. And let's copy this and paste on your HTML section. So let me paste here and save it. The bundling up, and yeah, successfully it will refresh automatically, and see we have achieved everything. Yes, progress bar and toggle is already working. So in this way, just copy and paste, it will work as it is. Once you install the Bootstrap, it does not require any extra code anywhere, any dependency. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding Bootstrap or regarding any previous tutorial, please mention the question in the comment section. I will definitely share the answer. And also please subscribe this channel if you are not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon, and also share the link with your friends. Thank you.